What's up, guys? This is Niger Forest Killer speaking. Today, we'll talk more on candlesticks. What are candlesticks? What are they used for? What are the importance of candlesticks? Why do we use candlesticks in trading? This is what we are going to look out today, and types of candlesticks. Although, basically, in forex trading or in forex or in trading generally, there are three there's three candlesticks people normally use. I call it candlestick, or they are just three patterns that people use to analyze the market. The other one is candlesticks. The other one is bar charts. The other one is line charts. Basically, we have three. These are the three dominants that people normally use. There are other ones people normally use though, but these three now are the most important ones people normally use. And each one of them have a specified time or when to use it. You can still combine three of them though if you are good. You can still combine three of them. Let me go back to the chart. Go back to the chart. So this one you are seeing here right now is the candlesticks. This one is the most popular one. This one is the most popular one people normally use. There are so many of them. So many. But this one you are seeing now is the most popular one and most accepted one when it comes to forex trading. There are other ones, but let me show you the other ones. There are other ones people normally use, like this one. This one is the line chart. This one is the line chart. This one is the line chart. People in the stock market, especially stock markets, they love using this line charts a lot because, let me say, they normally do it in a way of their positioning their trade in a long time goals. So they normally use line charts. So line chart is basically what they use when it comes to stock, all these big financial market. And there's other one which is bar charts. Let me check whether I see it here. Okay, see it here. Like this one. This is bar chart. It's bar chart. Let me zoom it a bit so you can be able to see this bar chart. So like this trainer is the most used this thing forest candle they use to analyze the market. Basically, those in the stock market also normally use this one too. They normally use this one, but most of us that are retail traders, so don't use this one often. Although some people use it too. Once you analyze how the thing goes, you are perfect. Maybe your analysis or your strategy is working with this one will be perfect for you. But basically, normally use candlestick because that's the one we understand the most. So, and this is the one that we normally understand the most. So now let's start with let's start with this. Okay, let's start with this one. This is the weekly. Let's start with the weekly. So the weekly. What's going on? Okay, we are in now. So this weekly now, each candle that you are seeing now represents a weekly time frame. Each candle that you are seeing here, each one like this one now, this one represents 1 week. This one represents another week. This one represents another week. This one represents another. Like let me say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them now represent 1 month. 1 month of the day. Like from 1st to 30th. These 4 candlesticks now represent 1 month. 1, 2, 3, 4 represent another month. 1, 2, 3, 4 represent another month. 1, 2, 3, 4 represent another month. So it means that any candle that you are seeing now, like any one, this one now represents 1 week, 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 1 week. So inside this 1 week now, let me just show you what I'm. Let me show you something. Let me use this. So now, this one now, let's move to daily time frame. So let's start from where I kept this, right? So now, this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You see, if you check from this arrow, you will notice that this is 21st of July, Monday. The next one is Tuesday. While the next one is Wednesday, and the last one is Thursday. Means tomorrow, which is Friday, another candlesticks will come. All of them will not be in that 1 week candlesticks. That's how all these things are formed. So inside that now, we have buy and sell. Buy and sell. Once the candlesticks is going up, once you see this blue line, once any place that you see blue, just have it in mind that the candlestick went up, because in every candlestick there's what we call open, close, and higher high, and highest level and lower level. Like let me use example of this one. You see this place? This is the lowest the candle went to. This is the lowest place the candlestick dropped, and this is the highest. And inside the highest, that's the place that he also closed. Okay, let me use another one. That is more. Okay, let's use this one. I want to use the one that shows everything. So like this one now, this is the lowest. This is the lowest, and this is the highest, and this is where the candle closed. Once this candle closed here, the new one, which is another day, will come out, and this is where this one, but this one is red. Once you see a red candle, it means that the candle is going down. Like once you see a red candle, just know that for that day, or for that time, or for that hour, or for that minute, that the thing went down. Once it's a red candle, this one opened here. This is the lowest, and this is where the thing closed and form another candlesticks. This is the highest, this is the lowest, and it came down here. came up here, sorry, and closed. That's another thing that you have to be observing. So in this candlesticks, what you understand that once you see a red candle, means that the pattern if it's daily time frame that you selected and you see a candlestick that is red, just know that for that day the market went down. Like this one, market went down. Here the market went up and closed. Here the market closed at a sell, which is down. Here the market also closed at a sell, which is down. Here sell, here down, here till this place. That's what you have to understand when it comes to candlesticks. Once you see a blue line, just know that the market went up. Once you see a red line, once you see a red candle, sorry, just know that the market went down. Why I'm using red and blue, because this is actually the most popular and versatile one that people normally use. Although some people normally change it to any color that they want. But basically, in out of 10, you see 9 people using this red and blue. In out of 10 people that is trading with candlesticks, you will see this color. Maybe the 1% are those that just want to change it from what others are doing. That's just it when it comes to candlesticks. Just always have it in mind that whenever you see a red candle, it means that the market is selling for that day. Whenever you see a blue candle, just know that the market is going up, is buying for that day. So like this one, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, sell, buy, sell. That's just it when it comes to candlesticks. So let me show you line chart. So this line chart now, this line chart is just basically lines. It's just lines that you'll be seeing. It's just lines that you'll be seeing. But why this line chart is important in a way, because some people normally use it to identify there's what they call support and resistance. You always give you the accurate support or resistance. Like here now, this is the highest. This is where the market close. You can use here as your resistance, but you will soon go there. We'll reach there. But I just want to show you like all the candles that we normally use, or all the sticks. Because all of them, you can't call it candle, but there's no candle. This one, so you just line charts. There are so many charts. Like this one, just people, why this one is important. Sometimes I used to use it. This one helped me to identify my support and resistance. It helps me a lot help me to identify my support and resistance. Why this bar chart? The bar chart. The bar chart. I don't usually use this, but I understand how it works. It's also working like candlestick, but in another form. Once you understand candlesticks, you can be able to understand this one a bit. In a way, let me show you something. In a way, you see here, this is where the market started and went down and come up. And this place is where the market closed. This is where the market closed. Another one opened here, went down a bit and went up and still come back here and closed. Like, I don't actually use this. I don't even use this one at all, but just for in case, if you don't understand it, if you just want to know how the thing goes, it's just typical how the market is working when it comes to bar charts. But I don't use it. And I hardly see traders that use it, except all these hedge funds, all these big financial market. Maybe if you check their systems, you'll be seeing these things. But for us that are retail traders, almost everybody, 99% of retail traders don't use this bar chart. They don't use it at all. So that's all you need to know about candlesticks. That's all you need to know. But if you want to trade, I recommend you to use candlesticks. Candlesticks charts are the most important. Like that's the easiest and understandable. That's what you need to understand. Like these three of them now is the most important one that you need to know. Others are just just to add up to. Okay, let me show you one. Like this one now. Like this one. This one look like candlesticks, but they are not candlesticks. This one look like candlesticks, but they are not candlesticks. Why this one too? Like this one too. This one also look like candlesticks, but it's not candlesticks. All of them have their own pattern. But the most important one and the most favorable one for you as a trader or as a retail trader is to use the candlesticks because it will give you the more understand or it will give you more understanding on how the market is going and where the market is actually going for the time. So that's all for candlesticks. Don't know if there's any other thing that you feel like to know when it comes to candlesticks. That's that's what I can say when it comes to candlesticks. This one, whenever you see a blue candle, just know that the market went up either in 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. Just have it in mind that that's what the market is. Whenever you see a red candlestick, know that the market went down, which is sell. The market is going down. Whenever you see whenever you see something like this, know that this is the place that the market closed. Here is where the market opened. Whenever you see a red candle, why the blue candle? If it's something like this, know this is the place the market opened, and this is the where the market closed, and this is the higher the market went for that day and came down here and closed, so it can be able to form another new candle. So, guys, that's all when it comes to candlesticks. So, maybe our next video will be on currency pairs for us to be able to identify. Although the currency pair I'm using here is pounds US dollar. That's the currency pair that have this candlestick that I'm using. But maybe in our next count, I'll be able to show you what currency pairs are like, how to identify it, and how to make use of it. So, guys, enjoy your day and see you guys later. Peace out.